Salve, third grade. Welcome to the last week of this quarter and our last week of virtual learning. This week, we are going to be learning how to say our different school subjects in Latin, and we're going to learn how to say what your favorite subject is. And after you take your notes, you'll get on Flipgrid and make a video of yourself saying your favorite subject in Latin. Let's get started. All right, to get started, you're going to need your Latin notebook and a pencil. We are going to open up to the table of contents here, and we're going to add a new page. It is going to be called Disciplinae Scholares. And I'm going to be putting this on page 7. Disciplinae Scholares. Take a second to write that down. Disciplinae Scholares. And then turn to your next clean page wherever you'll be putting this. Mine is on page 7. And title this page the same thing. Disciplinae Scholares. And you want to put a date on the page as well. The date is going to be any time between 10:12 and 10:16. All right, so Disciplinae Scholares is what we're talking about this week. And in Latin, it literally means subjects of school, or as we would normally say it, school subjects. So let me wait for it to focus there. Okay, so I'm going to write all of our school subjects down the left side of this page. So I'll start with English, then math, history, and science. Those are your core subjects. And then we also have art, music, PE, STEAM, and Latin. All right, to say each of these in Latin, some of them are very similar to their English counterpart, but some of them are a little different. We'll start with English. English in Latin is lingua Anglica. Lingua Anglica. Math is pretty easy. It's just Mathematica. Mathematica. Then history is just Historia. Historia. Then science is pronounced Scientia. Scientia. Art is just Ars. Music is musica. PE, or gym class, is exercitio. It doesn't sound very much like gym or PE, but it does sound like exercise, which is what you do in gym class. Now, STEAM was a little tricky to come up with a name for in Latin, because STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Now, we already have science, art, and math, and all of them start with the same letters. Technology in Latin is technologia, but there's no good word for engineering. The best I could find started with an M, and STEM doesn't really spell anything cool like STEAM does. So instead, we are going to call STEAM technologia in Latin, or technology. And then finally, last but not least, we have Latin is going to be lingua latina. Notice it looks a lot like English, which was lingua anglica, and that's because both of these are languages. Lingua means language or tongue. Alright, now that we can say all of our school subjects in Latin, I want us to be able to say, my favorite subject is. And to say this in Latin, you will say, mea delecta disciplina est, and then you'll say your favorite subject. So when you make your flip grid today, you'll make a video of you saying mea delecta disciplina est, and then whatever your favorite is. I want to know what your favorite subject is. For my video, I would say mea delecta disciplina est lingua latina. All right, third grade, that's it for notes. Now I want you to go to Flipgrid and record a video of yourself telling me what your favorite subject in school is. If you have any questions or problems with Flipgrid, please let me know. When you click on this link to Flipgrid, it'll prompt you to log in. I want you to log in with your @cincinnatips.org Google account. That way, your name will be accurate and it'll show up with your video. Bonam fortunam, valete!